Let me start with a question. Have you ever had a day where you woke up determined? Like, today I'll finally get my life together. And then by evening you're exhausted, scrolling, guilty, and wondering, how do people actually manage everything? Work, upskilling, sleep, exercise, family, friends, mental health, and maybe one small hobby that keeps you sane. It feels impossible, right? Like life expects you to be a superhero without superpowers. But here's the truth nobody told us growing up. You don't need more motivation. You need better systems. And without them, even the most hard-working person will feel like they're drowning. Let me tell you a story. A few years ago, someone told me, "I'm running as fast as I can, but somehow I'm not moving." And that line stuck with me. Because most of us aren't lazy. We're not unmotivated. We're not broken. We're just trying to run life on willpower, when life actually runs on systems. So let me ask you something. How many times have you said, "I'll start tomorrow. I'll try harder. I really need motivation"? But what if motivation was never the real problem? What if the approach itself was wrong? Thinking in systems simply means this. Instead of saying, "I'll study today," you build a setup that makes studying happen even when you don't feel like it. Instead of trying to sleep early, you build a nighttime sequence that naturally leads you to sleep. Instead of planning to learn after work, you structure your day so learning fits in even on bad days. Motivation works only when you're at your best. Systems are designed for your worst days. I once worked with an accountant preparing for a brutal exam. His plan was simple: come home, study, sleep. Except traffic, exhaustion, dinner, family conversations, chores, every day something broke the plan. And every day he blamed himself. But the truth was simple. The plan was built for a perfect day. Systems must be built for real life. So he tried something else. He stayed at the office one extra hour, studied there, skipped the traffic, came home relaxed. Suddenly, the system worked, because it didn't require motivation, it required design. Principle 1. Think holistically. Most people plan for the best version of themselves, but systems plan for the real version of you. Tired, distracted, busy, overwhelmed. Thinking holistically means asking, what usually ruins my plan? Tiredness? Late meetings? Traffic? Family responsibilities? Bad sleep? Instead of pretending these obstacles don't exist, you design your system around them. Principle 2. Build for repeatability. A system should work even when you don't have energy, even when you're stressed, even on your worst day. If your plan requires massive willpower, it's not a system, it's a wish. Repeatability means lowering friction. Smaller chunks, simpler routines, consistent triggers, better environment. You should be able to follow your system even when you don't feel like it. That's what makes it powerful. Principle 3. Remove the band-aids. Timers, playlists, coffee, short naps, these are band-aids. Useful? Yes. Permanent? No. The real issues might be lack of sleep, zero focus, poor routine, bad environment, distractions. Removing band-aids means fixing the root cause: sleep habits, attention training, schedule design, all the things that make life easier long-term. Short-term tricks keep you surviving. Long-term systems help you grow. And yes, growth will feel uncomfortable. Not because it's hard, but because it's different. But remember, you're not choosing between comfortable and uncomfortable. You're choosing between the discomfort of change or the greater discomfort of staying stuck. One hurts for a moment, the other hurts forever. Life becomes peaceful when systems carry the weight that motivation can't. Motivation lifts you for a day. Systems carry you for a lifetime.